So we can have a look at the output here. Let's refresh that page. Here you go. Okay, let's some more salads here. Lulu. Let's add the green coral salad. This looks nice. So let's go to the Django API, add item. Green coral salad. The category should be cold. Reasonable price दिए दी $13.99. This is the way we do our job. Do our job. So I have been added the item on the back end. So if you would like to see the output, just refresh the page, the front end. There you go. Let me add some more salads. Let's add the Greek salad. Let's find that Greek salad here. Somewhere it should be somewhere. Why is not here? It's supposed to be here. It's right here. So the item has been added on the back end. Let's check on the front end now. It's right here. We can add some more items. This is the most popular salad, Mediterranean salad. So let's add the item. Mediterranean salad. It's kind of expensive salad, so let's put it take $20. So it's been added. So let's have a look. So if you would like to add one Mediterranean, just click on add. If you increase it 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease it, just click here. We also can have a Greek salad, and of course I don't need the platter right now because I already choose some of these. Can have a lemonade and a diet. Can have sugar free, couple of sugar free. You can have a Hawaiian. Can I have a tuna Alfredo? Can I have vegan Italian? Let's go to checkout. So we have our selected item here. I've selected a lot of items. So we have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 8, 29, 30, 1, 2, 34, 36, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. We have 43 selected item and the total is 836 58 cents. So if we would like to go back to our home page and select more items, just go here. This is how we can do. I should have added a cappuccino and a latte. Let's go for the latte as well. Go for one Americano. There you go. Let's stop the